Had the big thunderstorm last night. This is the aftermath. It's like 58 degrees right now. And look, no snow. Looks like an early spring. Sunrise this morning, but behind the clouds there. Lots of clouds out. Like still some storm clouds left over there. Take a look over here. It's big clouds. You see the front going by. Yeah, he's lighting up there. Yeah, I had some big boomers last night. Shook the house. I got all the clouds, big dark clouds up there. See it just moving across the sky. Alright, just wanted to show you after the birds are out. It looks cool right there. All the birds are flying by. Alright, just wanted to show you. Nice warm breeze too. Feels nice. It'll be 60 degrees today, and it's still February. Crazy weather we've been having. Look at that. No snow. It's amazing. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone.